Proximity detection systems have changed the way mining is done. Extreme environment and working conditions damage components. Many of the systems are also inaccurate, needing large detection fields. This causes nuisance alarms to be triggered continuously. Cluttered PDS displays make personal orientation challenging. In the end, PDS systems are expensive, not developed properly, tampered with, and ignored by operators, rendering them ineffective. EDG presents the MineSafe PAT system. Over the years, EDG's first-generation PDS system evolved from a Level 7 and 8 proximity awareness system to a Level 9 intervention system, capable of assistive control for surface and underground operations. The PAT system is now further developed in-house through MineSafe, which specializes in safety equipment for the local and international mining sector. System components. Let's take a closer look at the PAT system components and the unique features that sets it apart from all the others. The main controller unit displays GIS backgrounds of the mine's maps in real time. Suggestive voice commands, as well as visual and audible warnings, are displayed on the screen. Predictive path algorithm software constantly calculates the safest options for operators. The antenna houses the radio, GPS, RF, and back-office radio, and is installed on all vehicles. The antenna's main function is to relay positioning information to all surrounding vehicles and pedestrians. The antennas are also used to relay critical information from and to the back office. The CBI unit is used to interface with the PAT system and includes the following functions. A pairing function that is used to pair a pedestrian within a TMM. A load mode function that is used during loading to exclude nuisance alarms. And an override button that is used in specific cases. Prox-D. Whenever the GPS is diluted, the PAT system will automatically switch to time of flight position determination by means of the Prox-D unit. The electronic tick list ensures that pre-shift checklists are logged. When undocked, the device will display preset mandatory questions that must be completed before operation. Checklists are customizable to each TMM and are site-specific. The Vehicle Access Unit acts as an integrated key control solution, authorizing only assigned personnel to operate specific TMMs. A TMM will not start up unless the assigned operator is authorized to do so. Mobile units. The Level 8 compact unit detects TMM to TMM and TMM to pedestrian when a TMM or pedestrian is detected. The 360-degree display unit will warn the operator in 30-degree increments. The GPS and RTLS technology makes the mobile unit a cost-effective solution for any working environment. The PTU is worn by all pedestrians in the workplace. Suggestive audio and visual warnings will alert the pedestrian of danger. Whenever the GPS is diluted, the PTU will automatically switch to time of flight position determination. The back office. The back office displays the positioning of all TMMs and personnel on site and is used to communicate critical fixed messages. The rules of the site, like speed limit areas, warning waypoints, no-go zones, geo-fenced areas, and biometric access controls are set up here. Standard reports generated by the back office include overspeeding, excess idling, red zone incidents, amber zone incidents, loading zones, and test station reports. Components are tamper-proof, maintenance-friendly, serviceable on-site, and environmentally sealed to withstand the harshest of conditions. The PAT controller integrates via CAN bus onboard communication protocol to OEMs and third parties. Workplace scenarios. Let's look at a few practical workplace scenarios to better explain the PAT system's revolutionary design. Scenario 1. T1 merge to L4 dovetailing. The challenge. When two TMMs approach a T1 merge road, both the operator's alarms will be triggered. If the operators don't act on the warning, a collision is imminent. It may cause multiple fatalities and damages. The solution. With the PAT system installed, both operators will be warned with suggestive voice. Warning, vehicle approaching from the right. The T1 merge road will be clearly visible on the GIS map, as well as the TMMs in proximity. The PAT system's predictive path algorithm software will engage and automatically slow down the one TMM. This will allow the other TMM to pass by safely while continuing with its current speed. As the TMM passes by, the system will perform an L4 dovetailing. A safe distance will also now be calculated and maintained while the TMMs follow each other. Scenario 2. L1 head-on to an L5 passing head-on. The challenge. In a case where an operator drifts into an opposite lane, both the operators' alarms will be triggered. If the operators don't act on the warning, they will collide, causing multiple fatalities and damages. The solution. In this case, both the operators will be warned by the PAT system. Caution. The warnings will be clearly visible on the display unit. If the operators don't act on the warnings, the PAT system will engage. The slow down command will be activated to decelerate the TMMs via CAN bus onboard communication protocol. If the operators still don't act, the stop command will be activated. The TMM's brakes will engage and stop. Once the danger has been acknowledged, the TMMs can pass by each other as normal. Scenario 3. GIS mapping. The challenge. When a pedestrian is in a TMM's proximity, the nuisance alarm will warn the operator. The warning will be visible on the PDS display unit, but because there is no GIS map on the display, he won't see that the pedestrian is safely behind a wall and in no immediate danger. This will cause the operator to slow down his vehicle while looking around, trying to identify the danger. The solution. When a pedestrian is in a TMM's proximity, the PAT system will warn the operator. Looking at the GIS map on the PDS display, the operator will clearly see that the pedestrian is safely behind a wall and in no immediate danger. The operator will continue tramming as normal without needing to slow down. The EDG MineSafe PAT system meets up with all the current criteria. Its innovative design is geared for future enhancement and will continually evolve to keep its reputation as the most revolutionary product made to improve safety and to drive productivity in the mining industry.